name is Natalie. I'm the fitness coordinator at Campus Recreation. We put together a fitness week this year where we put kind of one big event each day of the week. So we've done Glow and Flow Yoga. It was 8 p.m. out on the USC lawn. We have the log rolling event today. We did a fitness combine last night at the rec field. Basically just trying to put together some different events that appeal to students of all kinds so that we can offer something for them to get active, relieve their stress in a positive way leading up to finals week, and get them out there and involved and see all that Campus Recreation has to offer.
What's your strategy?
You just gotta be the log. You just gotta relax and not think. And that's it. Very easy. Very easy.